Okay, YouTube, here's what we're working on today. Got a Whirlpool refrigerator. Let's see, let's look at the model number. There we go. There's the model number. Date of manufacturer was February of 14. So, what we had here was refrigerator would tend to freeze up and freeze everything in it. Set the temperature down to a better temperature so it wouldn't get as cold in the refrigerator. Still didn't have any luck with that. Looked all over YouTube for videos for this. Could not find any, so I figured I better make one myself. Help someone else out. Watched a few that were like it. Well, they had some of them are on there where you have to tear the freezer apart and remove things and unsnap things from the freezer side. Well, this one, you're in luck. You do not have to do that. What is the problem with this thing is this little damper. Okay, so what you got is this little 3-cent spring there broke off one of these little arms. So then the little flapper can't stay closed. The little motor can't make it work. So in essence, this one's just junk. Doing it, it broke off this other little piece here. Little plastic piece. There. If it didn't, I would have fixed the spring, but yeah, there was no fixing this one here. So went online, tried to find some parts. Boy, there we go. There's a little part we need. I don't need all that styrofoam though. Look at that price though. Holy guacamole. Found one that was more, I don't know if this is like the exact one that it needed, but it's a good close idea with the price. Didn't need that. I don't need all this styrofoam. I mean, still got it here from this one, so no need for that. So, yes, thank you, eBay. Let's see. What did we get one for? Could have got it for $160, $150 off a website. Or, shucks, man. Could have just went here to eBay. Got one for $7.70. Shipped to me. Yeah, it's used. But, like new condition. Look at that. So here's the hard part, is trying to figure out where all the screws were to take this thing apart. So since I didn't know, I'm digging into it, trying to figure it out myself. Yeah, well, I figured I'm gonna do a video to maybe help. Okay, so what you got, let me get some of the parts. Oh, here was my solution in the meantime, till my part came. It was shove a Walmart bag up in that hole to slow some of the cold air coming through. It worked, nothing froze. So, let's see. Here's the part you gotta put in here. So, got all these hiding pieces. Let's see. You put that little piece. Let's come back over here on the countertop. Move some stuff out of the way. This piece here, whoops. This piece here goes in like this. with the little flapper door, like that, with the wire hanging down. So it goes in there just like, you just slide it back in here, don't break up your foam. Jeez, look at that. Fits right in there. Yeah, that's all there is to that. You don't need all that styrofoam. Waste of money. Especially when you're going to take the one out of your own refrigerator. So let me get this thing set up. Show just how easy this thing goes back together. Okay, let's see. Well, you push that in there like that. You plug this little wire together. Yeah, as simple as that. Come on, I can do this. There we go. There we go. I feel the cold air coming through there already. And this wire is only tucked up here like this, behind the little thingamabob that holds it. Then you have these three, oops, crap. You have these three pieces that snap on here. This one here goes right over here. Looky there, snaps right into place. This has this little silver screw. These are 1/4 inch. It's got to be, well, yeah, maybe I should have put that in there first. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go, look at that. Oh, that was a miracle. I don't think I've ever done anything that slick. Okay, then you got where the, what do you call that thing? The water filter goes. You see how this thing goes on here, I can't remember. Been a while since I had this thing together, or excuse me, apart. Oh, there. Only gonna fit in there one way. Look at that. Wow, that snaps right in there too. This one's got one of these little gold screws. This one was really hiding from me. It was hiding right about here. Look, come on. Good thing I don't work on a bridge, man. Be forever getting tools and parts. Oh Lord. There you go. That little screw's in place. Now finally, look at this. Is this insane or what? Now, the third little piece of plastic snaps in. Huh. What a dumb head. Okay, see, like I said, sometimes you gotta put things together and take them apart a couple times to remember the order. This one's got to go in here because it goes behind these pieces. Huh. Well, crap. Oh, there we go. Oh, how about that? There we go. That one's snapped in there. Whew, goodness. Here we go. You don't want to be at a customer's house trying to figure this out. Saying all them cuss words you might be saying. But I'm not at a customer's house. I'm at home. I didn't even say any cuss words. So, there we go, that one. Now the final screw. It's this gold one here. Oh my. It's the refrigerator police again. There we go. Gotta make them hush. And then you put that third and final screw in, and you close that. Call it a day. 3-cent screw gonna cause you to buy an expensive part, have a service call, all for what? Yeah, $8. Recycled part off eBay. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So, one thing left off my honey-do list. Hey honey, it's done!